Morning, student.
Morning, sir.
How are you? Okay. Now we will learn about seasons and weather. Before that, I want to ask you about weather first. What weather do you know? Okay. How about seasons? Yeah. No? Okay, now I want to tell you about seasons and weather. Now I want to ask you, how is the weather today? Now look at the picture. Which weather do you like the most? Why do you like the most rainy, Sasamila?
Because I feel so happy when rainy. I can play together with my friends and so on.
Now, what season do you see?
Dry season, wet season, spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Okay, excellent.
Okay, after we have known the type of season in the world, so now let's watch this video together. And after watch this video, we're gonna answer the question about the video, right? Okay, let's watch together.
Hello everyone. Do you ever wonder
Okay, after we learn about season and weather and we make a sentence, a game, now we will make a reflection about what did we learn about season and weather. Now mention what season and weather did you know? Asani, what season and weather did you know?
The season that I know is winter, summer, and spring.
And then what season and weather did you have ever made?
Well, for season, dry and wet.